Hello, dear students. Today we will take forward our lesson of force and laws of motion. Galileo's experiment of motion on inclined plane. Who was Galileo? He was an Italian scientist. And you might have heard about Galileo. He designed a microscope, the telescope, and first said that the planets revolve around the sun. But he was a naturalist also, philosopher also. He discussed motion also in his theories or in his books. In Force and Laws of Motion, the Galileo, I will explain the Galileo's experiment over the motion or over the uniform motion. He designed an inclined plane like this. Inclined plane means a path which is vertical like this, a slope, not vertical like this, 100% vertical, but inclined like this. It is one path and another slope is like this. It was the experiment of Galileo over uniform motion. He said that if I will drop a marble here, its velocity will go on increasing while it rolls down. When it will roll down like this, it will go, and it was said by Galileo, and it will rise to the other inclined plane till it attain the same height. Same height from which it was rolled down from the first inclined plane. It was said by Galileo. That is, he said that if the marble was allowed to roll down through an inclined plane, it will move, it will accelerate, or it will change its velocity and move up to the height where it was dropped from previously. It was the first condition. Another condition is that if we drop that marble from an inclined plane, and the plane of the another inclined path is less than the first inclined path, then it will continuously move with uniform motion. Next is, it is the second condition, and the third condition is that if from the inclined plane that marble will be allowed to roll down and will be rolled over on the horizontal path. It was the third condition. He said that the marble will continuously move till infinity. These are the three conditions, but you can understand that there are other forces. These three conditions, if you experimentally perform the activity at your home, you will find that if you drop the marble from one inclined plane, it will not reach the same height to another plane. Why? Because it faces I already told you in the previous lesson that there is the friction. There is force of friction which opposes the motion of a body. That means there are friction of the plane or inclined path. The air also Air also resists the motion of the marble. That is why, in practical terms, that marble will not reach up to the height on the another path from which it was rolled down, allowed to roll down. It will always stop where some that height will not be of the same position from where it was allowed to roll down. And same is the true with this and with the third condition. These are the three conditions which Galileo said in his theory of motion, that if we allow a marble to roll down on an inclined plane, it will continuously move till it will reach the height of the same height from which it was rolled down. Second condition, if the second plane, or if the height of the second plane is less, then the marble will continuously move or overpass that point till it will and continuously move till it will reach the original height or the same height from which was allowed to move. In the third condition, he said, if the marble is allowed to roll over the inclined plane and the another path which the marble will follow is the horizontal position, then it will continuously move. It will continuously move till infinity or till doomsday, so that or till that time it will attain that position. On horizontal path it will never attain that position. But these three conditions were explained by Galileo. You can read them, these three conditions, on your this textbook. And but there are some you can say, in practical way, you cannot see these types of these experiments, because due to the friction which is present on the surface or faced by the marble. Now